Formatting a pen drive. As you can see, I'm running on Windows 7 operating system and I'm into my computer. Here you'll find devices with removable storage. We have our pen drive, which is a flash disk, and let's say we want to format this pen drive. First of all, we will right click upon that, and here you'll see the option for format. Click on this option. It will take some time and this dialog box will open up. This shows the capacity of your pen drive, which is 3.66 GB, the file system. If you want to format your pen drive with some other file systems, you can do this from here. You will find NTFS, which is New Technology File System, FAT, which is File Allocation Table, and FAT32 technology. We also have this EXFAT. Choose the appropriate one. Then you'll see this allocation unit size and leave it as it is. It is 4 KB right now. Here is a button to restore the device defaults. If you have made some changes and you want to move back, you can do it from here. Here is the volume label. If you want to rename the pen drive, you can do it from here. Then there is an option of quick format, which is selected. If you uncheck it, it will format deeply. We will let it be and click on Start to start formatting your pen drive. It will give us a warning that formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format disk, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. I'll click Cancel, but if you really want to format your pen drive, you can click OK, and then you'll find your pen drive is completely empty and formatted as the factory default. This is how you can format your pen drive using any Windows operating systems. Thank you.